Top reasons to choose a B.Sc in Aeronautical Engineering. Choosing a B.Sc in Aeronautical Engineering can be an exciting and rewarding decision for students passionate about aviation, aerospace technology, and engineering innovation. Here are some compelling reasons to consider this field. Number 1. Fascination with aviation and space. If you are deeply interested in the science of flight, designing aircraft, or exploring space, aeronautical engineering aligns perfectly with these aspirations. Number 2. Dynamic and evolving field. Aeronautical engineering is at the forefront of cutting-edge technology, including drones, space exploration, and green aviation solutions. It offers opportunities to contribute to advancements in these areas. Number 3. Global career opportunities. Aeronautical engineers are in demand worldwide, with opportunities in sectors like defense, aviation, space agencies, and private aerospace firms. Number 4. Diverse career roles. The field offers roles in design, research, manufacturing, maintenance, and testing of aircraft and spacecraft. You can also specialize in aerodynamics, propulsion systems, avionics, or structural engineering. Number 5. Challenging and innovative work. Aeronautical engineering involves solving complex problems, making it a perfect choice for those who enjoy challenges and innovation. Number 6. High earning potential. The field is known for competitive salaries, especially in aerospace and defense industries, where skilled professionals are highly valued. Number 7. Contributions to society. Aeronautical engineers play a critical role in improving air travel safety, developing sustainable technologies, and enabling space exploration, which benefits humanity. Number 8. Interdisciplinary learning. The course integrates knowledge of mathematics, physics, computer science, and materials engineering, providing a broad technical foundation. Number 9. Opportunities in research and development. For those inclined toward academics or innovation, there are vast opportunities in R&D with organizations like NASA, ISRO, or private aerospace startups. Number 10. Passion for technology and mechanics. If you love working with machines, engines, and cutting-edge technologies, aeronautical engineering offers hands-on experiences and practical exposure. If these reasons resonate with your interests and career goals, pursuing a B.Sc in Aeronautical Engineering could be an excellent choice. For more details, call us on +91 8800 66 3006 or visit our website www.amecet.in.